In this episode, the team tackles the myth that cracking knuckles leads to arthritis and joint damage using controlled experiments and medical sources. They design a study comparing frequent knuckle crackers with non-crackers, tracking grip strength, reported pain, and medical imaging over time. Results show no proven link to arthritis, while minor discomfort often stems from overuse rather than cracking itself. The episode highlights critical thinking and explains why correlation does not imply causation, plus bias and placebo effects. Viewers are urged to question everyday beliefs, seek repeatable science, and rely on credible sources for well-supported conclusions.